How to download your data from Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can download your data from Instagram. Whether you want to save your photos, likes, or other account details, it's a straightforward process. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone. And once you have opened the app, simply tap on your profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen and you will be prompted to your profile section. From here, you can simply tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner. And once you are in a settings and activity section, you can simply tap on your account center. And now under the account center section, you can simply tap on your information and permissions. Now on the new page, you can see the option called download your information. Simply tap on that. And now you can choose what specific data you want to download, and if you have selected all available information, it might take few days to prepare the file. And now to speed up the process, select only the data you need like your photos, comments or likes. And once you have made up your choice, simply tap on next at the bottom of the screen. After selecting your data, simply tap on download to device and then tap on create files, and Instagram will start preparing your files, which could take a few minutes to a few hours depending on the amounts of data. And once the file is ready, Instagram will notify you. You can simply open the app and tap on the notification and select download option. And after doing that, your data will be saved directly to your device. And that's how you can download your data from Instagram. It's super easy, and now you can save your favorite content and account details. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.